This video will demonstrate how to set up both hot knife and burst separation on an Amiga 52 laminator. This process can be followed regardless of the feeder type. Once the laminator has been threaded with film, the operator must ensure laminated sheets will separate cleanly and as expected before running a live job. Load additional test sheets into the feeder if no sheets are loaded. Check the alignment of the film and the sheet by making sure the film is centered without exceeding the edges of the sheet. If needed, use the fine adjustment on the film roll mandrel to adjust the film location. If your laminator is equipped with a hot knife, follow these steps. Make sure the exit wheels in front of the burst roller are engaged on the sheet. Press Start to begin laminating the test sheets. Turn on the hot knife by pressing the hot knife button on the control panel. Inspect sheets exiting the laminator and verify the knife is coming down on the overlap of the sheets. If needed, adjust the knife correction key on the main screen to set where the knife comes down on the overlap. The left and right arrows will adjust the knife placement by small increments of 0.1 mm. After hot knife separation, sheets should travel to the exit end of the laminator and stack on the sheet collection device. If your laminator is equipped with burst separation, follow these steps. First, ensure the perforation wheel is set about 1/8 inch inside the edge of the film. Make sure the wheel is lowered and engaged with the sheet by moving the lever out. Use the pressure screw to ensure the sawtooth penetrates only the film. This setting should always be checked. Next, ensure the skew wheel is positioned on top of the paper and about 1 inch from the edge of the paper on the drive side of the sheet. To adjust the skew wheel, turn the knob counterclockwise and make sure the top lever is down. Once the wheel is in place on the paper, turn the knob clockwise to tighten and lift the lever, locking it in place. The following information is important for proper skew wheel operations. Proper adjustment of the skew wheel is critical for successful burst separation of laminated sheets. Paper type, film type, and sheet size all factor into skew wheel adjustments. This may require trial and error to find the best position. The Amiga 52 series offers two types of skew wheels. If your unit has an automatic skew wheel engagement system, contact the Nobelus service team for more information. The machine must be running to set up the skew wheel correctly and create a proper bubble. To adjust the angle, loosen the lever and slide it left or right as needed. Then retighten the lever. To adjust the pressure, loosen or tighten the spring pressure regulator as needed. A proper bubble will rise 1 inch off the metal plate. This bubble will follow the rocking action of the burst roller and ensure clean separation. Now, using the control panel, set the desired burst speed or speed offset and the burst position or snap position. These settings should always be checked as different paper weights and films could impact burst effectiveness. Burst position will affect where the loose end of the film appears on the sheet edge. After burst separation, sheets should travel to the exit end of the laminator and stack on the sheet collection device. After running a few sheets, check the curl of finished sheets. Adjust the main decurl roller to ensure each sheet curls downward slightly. Trial and error may be necessary to achieve the desired result. Continue to run additional test sheets to ensure they are separating as expected. Adjust the direction of the exit end air blower to ensure sheets stack properly. This may need to be adjusted up as the finish stack increases in height. When a test sheet is halfway through the chrome roller, press Stop. This will make it easier to replace the test sheets with the production job sheets. Once all safety checks have been completed, press Start to begin the live job. Now the Amiga 52 is ready to run live jobs and produce high-quality laminated sheets.